Your end users need to connect to your applications as quickly as possible from wherever they are. Oracle's globally distributed DNS service offers enhanced performance, resiliency, and scalability for query resolution. What is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. DNS translates a domain name like oracle.com to an IP address so your operating system can connect to it. DNS points you to where you want to go on the internet or within your private network. Suppose you type www.oracle.com into your browser. The operating system on your computer asks a resolver that queries several authoritative DNS name servers if they know oracle.com's IP address. If the name server doesn't have a record of that information, it continues to query authoritative name servers until it finds the one that knows the IP address for oracle.com. The authoritative name server provides the IP address, which the browser uses to get you to the right web page. Set up DNS to meet your business goals. For example, you can set up public DNS zones to make your applications available on the internet. DNS Traffic Management helps you ensure performance, scalability, and availability. Use steering policies to serve intelligent responses to queries and distribute traffic according to logic that you define. A DNS namespace is divided into zones. You can create primary or secondary DNS zones. A zone contains records that are returned in responses to queries. Each zone and its records can be managed independently of the others in the namespace. A secondary zone contains a copy of records hosted by another DNS provider. Resolvers choose the provider that is closest to them. If one provider goes down, the other can still answer queries. You can use private DNS to provide hostname resolution for applications running within VCNs, between VCNs, and between VCNs and on-premises networks. Use Oracle Cloud Infrastructure DNS to manage traffic, provide redundancy, and ensure your end users can quickly connect to your applications from wherever they are. To learn more, go to DNS and Traffic Management at docs.oracle.com.